On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Yes, I did it. Maybe I can paint this up the way I want to paint my little MicroVan when I get it. It's only two-wheel drive right now. It's got the 2-speed. Same as a mini truck. Oh man, it would have been nice if these doors opened. 3 rows of seats. Might have to buy another truck as a donor. Let's see which one I'll get this time. There's the battery. There's really no assembly required, or not much assembly required, I should say, because you got to put the mirrors and the handles and stuff like that on. No spare tire. Charger, mirrors, some decals. Not going to put any of that on because I'm going to paint it. Got my 2 AA batteries in there. Low, now it's high. Oh. Uh-oh. What'd I do? Oh, I blew the drive shaft in half. Whoops. That's what you get for doing neutral drops, Cheesy. Don't do that. Ah, don't do that either. Jeez, I blew that apart too. What the heck's going on, Cheezo? Popped the upper ball joint. Mini truck didn't break like that. As you can see, the van is top heavy. I didn't even put the camera in there. I wonder what that is. I wonder if I could put the camera in there. Let's try it. It'll be a little easier. It'll be a little more top heavy. Let's see what it looks like inside. See if I can get this camera. Show what the back looks like there. That's what it looks like inside. Definitely a little top heavy. So if I do a four-wheel drive conversion, probably gonna have to slam it down a little. If
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.